So I'm the co-founder of OnlyDust, and okay. So I'm the co-founder of OnlyDust. Who are we? We are a platform to onboard developers to blockchain ecosystem through open source contribution. I will explain more, but our ambition with my co-founder was we want every developers to contribute to open source and be rewarded for it. So the value of OnlyDust for contributors is you can develop your skills, you can build your network, meet people, meet really high-level devs, work with high-level maintainers, and you can be rewarded. I will talk about it later, but without any paperwork. You will get grants without doing any form online, without entering milestone, etc. For projects, we can accelerate your project development, we can increase your project visibility, and we can bring you contributors and grants. But this presentation is mostly focused on contributors. So, you know contributing to open source is hard, but we think it's the best way to grow yourself as a dev. So, at OnlyDust, we aim to make it less difficult with a clear path for newcomers to find a project, find the contributions, find other peer devs to work with. So the three main pillars of OnlyDust, the first is build your skills, because by contributing to open source projects, by contributing into new languages, new techs, you will grow yourself as a dev. The second point is you will build your network. You will meet other devs, you will meet maintainers, and also you will build a bit your net worth, because we will work for you to shortlist projects and work with foundation to get money for you as an open source contributor. So if you go to the platform, you will see a short list of projects we work with who are ready to onboard you, because all open source projects are not really ready to onboard you, to answer all your questions, to take the time to write good first issue. So we shortlist the project. So if you go to the platform, you have a lot of filters. And all the projects, we have more than 100 projects in multiple ecosystems. So in Starknet, Ethereum, Aptos, and a lot more. And each project can take the time to talk with you, to help you understand the project, and to find a good first contribution. So you have the details on the platform. Yeah. So we incentivize the project to spend some time with you, to write good first issue for you, some tasks that are perfect to understand the project. But good first issue doesn't mean easy issues. Good first issue is a task who is going to help you understand the project. You can take your time doing this task to better understand the project. So we have a lot of projects with a lot of good first issues. And for projects, we help them negotiate dealing with foundation to get grants. So we do the part of asking foundation for grants, and we distribute with a committee of builders the grants to the project. And the project, for them, it's mandatory to distribute 90% of the grants to open source contributors, so to you if you contribute. So you get a share of the value you create for the project. I don't know how you will receive. It's not a freelancing job. It's not a bounty platform. You will not see, if you go to the platform, you will not see a list of issues with a bounty associated to it. I can't guarantee you a reward, but I guarantee you I will fight for you as a contributor to get grants from the foundation and to force the project distributing the money to you. So at least 90% of the grants for the project will be distributed to contributors. So we have built an effective reward system where maintainers distribute value between contributors, and each week our each month, depends on the ecosystem, the money will get distributed. So the money sometimes it's USD, sometimes it's tokens, but we only work with really nice blockchains. So we work a lot with Starknet, as I said, with Ethereum, with Avi, Aptos, and we are discussing with a lot other foundations. Some are here today. And a point, very important, everything is public. So you can see which project has how many money and how the money is distributed. So if a project distributes only the money to his friends, he will not get money the next month. So the projects are really incentivized to distribute the grants to new contributors. We also organizing meetups and events all over the world with our community to offer you a chance to meet in person with other contributors, to meet the maintainers. So yeah, all over the world, as I said. And I like to call the community exclusive and welcoming. Welcoming, yeah, because everybody can contribute, it's open to everyone, it's not gated. But exclusive, because you have to do the work. The contribution, the good first issue are not easy issues. We select the best projects. We have a lot of really low-level projects like sequencers, nodes, etc. A lot of ZK stuff, and it's very hard. You just have to prove you have the ability to do the work. Yeah, a lot of, you can go to Twitter if you want to see, yeah, some meetups. Okay, some stats, we have more than 140 projects, and yeah, it's a kind of a small community because we have 3,000 devs and active between 300 and 400, and we distribute $500,000 per month. It depends on the rate of tokens, obviously. Some really interesting projects we have available with a lot of work to do. Argent is wallet, Lambda class, they have a lot of projects. We also have some Rust long projects. So it's kind of weird because they don't like crypto very much, but we are offering them grants in tokens, and yeah, some converted to Starknet and Ethereum, but yeah, so we have, it's really high level stuff, and we have some gaming stuff, a lot of things. Orion, it's ZKML. So with OnlyDust, you can take over tech challenges. Like I said, it's not easy. If you want easy stuff, don't go to OnlyDust because we try to select the best projects. You will meet amazing peers if you do the work. If you go to meetups, you will meet amazing developers. You will obviously learn new skills. And yeah, you can be rewarded. It's our job to find you grants. And regarding the reputation, we have contributors profile. We list all your contribution. And this profile will allow you to, yes, we have a partnership with 3 company / foundation with Nethermind. It's a service company. They do a lot of stuff in Ethereum and Starknet co-workings, and they have an internship program with OnlyDust. And if you do some contribution, you can fast track for the 3 program, Lambda class, Sparkling Water. It's more cryptography stuff, and the Ethereum fellowship. If you want to, in the future, be a core dev of Ethereum, they are looking for a lot of core devs, and you can be accepted if you contribute to OnlyDust in the Ethereum fellowship protocol to work on, yeah, protocol development, client implementation, and some low-level stuff. And we have also a partnership with Node Guardians. It's more on the education side. Node Guardian is a platform to do tech challenges in Solidity, in Cairo. And if you have a good profile of Node Guardian, we offer you a boost of all your reward between 5 and 20%, I think. So it's more than learning, traditional learning partnership. And yeah, our vision is, yeah, contributing to open source is still hard, and I think it will always be hard, but we try to make it easier, to make it clear, and to build a clear path. So yeah, if you're interested, you can go to our website or on Twitter, and you can contact me on Twitter and Telegram. And we are here if you have, yeah, a project, open source project, or an ID. We can also work with you to find grants and yeah, maybe onboard you on the platform. Thank you. Yeah, okay.